Welcome to this quick 10-minute guided meditation. I'm Charlotte, and today we're going to focus on letting go of frustration, reducing stress, and finding relaxation. Find a quiet, cozy spot where you can sit without interruptions. It could be on a chair, a cushion, or even on the floor. Whatever feels good for you. Eliminate distractions and get ready to focus inward. Let's start by taking a few deep breaths. Inhale through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Take a deep breath. Let the tension melt away. Feel your belly rise. Keep going. Deep, steady breaths. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Now, let's check in with your body. Starting at the top of your head, slowly move your attention down to your toes. Notice any tightness or discomfort. Don't try to change it. Just observe. Bring your focus back to your breath. Notice the rhythm, the rise and fall of your belly, the cool air entering your nose, and the warmth as you exhale. Imagine each exhale helping to release any tension you find. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Deep, steady breaths. Keep going. Now, expand your awareness to your surroundings. What do you hear? What do you smell? Just notice these sensations without judgment. Let them flow in and out of your awareness like waves. Deep, steady breaths. Keep going. If thoughts or emotions pop up, don't push them away. Imagine them like passing clouds. Acknowledge them, but let them drift on. Stay curious and open. Take a moment to think about one thing you're grateful for. It could be a person, a moment, or even something simple like your morning coffee. Feel that gratitude. And now, set an intention for the rest of your day. What energy or mindset do you want to carry with you? Let's finish with a few deep breaths to recenter. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Do you feel a little calmer, a little clearer? Carry this feeling with you into the rest of your day. And remember, even a few minutes of meditation every day can make a big difference. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon. Be well.